Hello everyone, so today we have a world most famous online earning websites called Ethereum. So we are talking about Ethereum. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So this is the official website of Ethereum, and we are just talking about that what is Ethereum and how we are earn passive income from there. Welcome to Ethereum. Ethereum is the community run technology powering the cryptocurrencies Ether means ETH and thousands of decentralized applications. Click here to explore Ethereum. So get started. Ethereum.org is your portal into the world of Ethereum. The tech is new and ever evolving. It helps to have a guide. Here's recommend you do if you want to dive in. Pick wallet. A wallet lets you connect to Ethereum and manage your funds and get ETH. ETH is the currency of Ethereum. You can use it in applications and use a dApps are applications powered by Ethereum. See what you can do. So some helps if you want to get ETH or pick a wallet, you just click on these options. Start building. If you want to start coding with Ethereum, we have documentation, tutorials and more in our developer portal. And what is Ethereum? Ethereum is a technology that's home to digital money, global payments and applications. The community has built a booming digital economy, bold new ways for creators to earn online and so much more. It's open to everyone wherever you are in the world. All you need is the internet. So what is Ethereum or more digital money? You just if you want to get more information, you just click on this option. And a fairer financial system. Today billions of people cannot open bank accounts. Others have their payments blocked. Ethereum's decentralized finance DeFi system never sleeps or discriminates. With just an internet connection, you can send, receive, borrow, earn interest and even stream funds anywhere in the world. Click here to explore DeFi. The Internet of Assets. Ethereum is not just for digital money. Anything you can own can be represented, traded and put to use. And non-fungible tokens means NFTs. You can tokenize your art and get royalties automatically every time it's resold, or use a token for something you own to take out a loan. The possibilities are growing all the times. Click on more NFTs. And an open internet. Today we gain access to free internet services by giving up control of our personal data. Ethereum services are open by default. You just need a wallet. These are free and easy to set up, controlled by you and work without my personal information. Click here to explore the open internet or more on wallet. So I am already downloaded a MetaMask extension in my Chrome browser. So code examples: you are own bank and your own currency, JavaScript, Ethereum wallet, open permissionless DNS, new frontier for development. Ethereum and its apps are transparent and open source. You can fork code and reuse functionality others have already built. If you do not want to learn a new language, you can just interact with open source code using JavaScript and other existing languages. Click here to developer portal. And Ethereum today. So this is today price 1890 and transactions today 1.86 million 30 days, and value logged in DeFi $6.96 billion and nodes 10,800. And explore ethereum.org. Level up your upgrade knowledge. And Ethereum for enterprise. The Ethereum community and contribute to ethereum.org. Click here to more contributing, and GitHub on Discord, and also we can see here the social media links. If you want to get more information, you just click on the social media links, join them on YouTube, Twitter, Discord, and more social media platforms. So this was a little bit review of this Ethereum website. If you are interested in our content, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Lubna's Tech and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thanks for watching.